You mentioned that you were drawn to this industry and more specifically to GreenStaxx because of your interest in sustainability and a background in sustainability. Could you give a really sort of quick answer, like what are the attributes of GreenStaxx and probably more broadly modular and prefab that you think have the biggest impact on sustainability?
Well, on a GreenStaxx level, we design our units to be, to meet passive house standards, and obviously the unit itself can't guarantee a passive house. It's a building level certification, but we use high performance energy systems, and we're also revising our standard specification to make sure that everything that goes inside the units, that, like the floors, like the paint, all those things are really as healthy as possible. So from a human health point of view, as well as an energy use point of view, the units themselves have the highest sustainability standards. And we aim to have continuous improvement to get them to be continuously as good as it can be. But more on like a broader scale of modular fabrication, there's a lot less waste that takes place. So when you think of, all of the containerfuls of materials of, sheetrock and wood that you see on construction sites, most of that is eliminated when using the modular construction process, because parts are cut to be exactly what is needed inside the factory. And there's just a lot more control that the building team has over what comes in and what is used at every part of the process, because they're working on an assembly line. Building within a climate controlled environment, it's possible to achieve much higher precision and tolerances. So when you think about, buildings that leak air, for example, and that, really drains their energy performance, that can be avoided much more easily and controlled for and monitored much more carefully when you're in a factory setting.